How to fix Google Chrome no internet connection problem. So if you want to fix Google Chrome no internet connection problem, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your settings at first. And under settings, you need to search for access point names. So go with search and search for access point names. You need to tap on it, and then it will take you to the access point names section, AP end. And you need to select your SIM card. And on the bottom, you will have reset under APN. So you just need simply go and reset your APN. After resetting, your problem might be fixed. You need to go back and go with SIM card in mobile network and go with your SIM card. And here you will have preferred network type, tap on it, and then make sure that you've preferred 4G if you have the 4G option, or if you also have the 5G or 3G, 4G, 5G, whichever the highest option, you can go and select it and your problem might be fixed. Now go back and then you need to scroll down a bit and you will have the apps section right here. You need to tap on apps. Under apps, go with manage apps, and from manage apps you need to again go with search, and under search you need to search for Chrome. Once you've searched for Chrome, here you need to scroll down, go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. You can go and restart your device, and that's it. That's how you can fix your Google Chrome no internet connection problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.